social proofing matters because human beings are like lemmings or sheep. And that's not to offend anybody who's listening. It's to understand that most of us, there's a few pioneers. It's less than 10% of us. We're pioneers. We want to be the first to do something. We want to take the action. We want to be different from everybody else. And then most of us, like 90% of us, we want to be able to know that something works. We want to be able to do the things that other people are focusing on. Or that other people believe in. And so you got to understand that when you are marketing and growing your podcast, you got to understand that most of us do things that we believe in, that our friends do, that if all of our friends like a certain cocktail, we're more likely to like that cocktail. If all of our friends like a certain beer, we're more likely to like that beer. If most of our friends are into a certain type of exercising, we are more likely to be into that exercising. If most of our friends like to go hiking, if most of our friends start businesses, we're more likely to be a business owner. And now it's time to think about Amazon. I think a lot of people love Amazon. And I think a lot of people like Amazon for different reasons. So, for example, one of the reasons why we like Amazon is because we can buy something and we could just sit there in our underwear and buy it. Or maybe you do it completely in the nude. I don't know. Maybe you put on a suit and that's how you buy things on Amazon, because that's how you want to do it. That's how you want to show up. I like it because I don't have to put on makeup. I don't have to put on my blouse. I don't have to do my hair all up. And I can just go ahead and purchase it. Another reason that I like it, another reason that I love working on Amazon is because I can get great deals. And I can get great deals because of how many different sellers there are for different types of products that I might be interested in. So it's really convenient that I don't have to go to all of these stores. I don't have to get in my car and drive to one store after another, because all of them are right there. That's very convenient. It's a very good way to want to purchase things, is right there online. But a reason that I like purchasing on Amazon so much is the social proofing. And what we're talking about here is the ratings and reviews that others have given. And so, like many of you, I read some of the 5 stars. I read some of the 1 and 2 stars. And I spend a lot of attention on the 3 and 4 star ratings. So I do a lot of the 5s because I want to know what the people that absolutely love it say. I want to go directly to the 1s and 2s because I want to know what the people that hate it say. And then I go to the 3s and 4s, and I feel like I'm getting some really good feedback. So if I go and try to find a product and it's, for example, it's cheaper, we all want to save money. I want to save money. You probably want to save money. You don't want to spend frivolously or unnecessarily. So I enjoy being able to save a little bit of money. But if I go and one product has hundreds or thousands of really good ratings and reviews, let's say 4.5 stars, I'm probably going to trust that, even if it costs a little bit more than one that only has, let's say, 5 ratings and reviews, regardless if it's a perfect 5 star, a 4.5, just like the other one, or if it's a 1 or a 2 star.